Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is December 12th and we are looking at the Dow futures as the start of the day for today. 60 minutes time frame here. It continues to extend to new all-time high, and we are calling this rally within with 5 in the intermediate degree here, which subdivides into 5 waves, and we are ending one here and two here. Okay, so purely from the short-term point of view, we are going to be targeting minimum the 100% extension of this 1 and 2 here. Okay, so we're going to be looking for near-term target of 49,900 approximately, right? 49,900 is what we're going to be looking to target on the upside. Okay, and shorter cycle pullback should continue to find support in 3711 and continues to extend to the upside. Okay, and so that's basically what we are looking. If I zoom out, simple, this is new all-time high, so it is a bullish rally. This cycle from April low remains in progress as a 5 waves, and that's your wave 4 here from April low. This is your wave 3, and you can put the 1 and 2 somewhere here, maybe 1 and 2, right? So basically we are in the last leg now, and within the last leg it subdivides into 5 waves in the wave 5. So I think this shorter cycle here, this could actually be with 1 in red also here, right? So we are this is slightly 1 lower degree, so this could be 1 in red, which is 1 lower degree than this blue. It still doesn't matter. It could be a lower degree or 1 level higher. It still needs more upside. Okay, still needs more upside, and again the minimum target is going to be 100% extension of this 1 and 2 here, right? So this area 49,900 to 51,400 is going to be potential target, and then that will be 3, 4, 5 potentially, and that could be the end of wave 5, right? Now I'm not saying the end of 5 has to be 51,400. I'm saying the swing has to be a 5 waves from here, 1 2 3 4 5. The level, we have to wait until 3 and 4 finish before we can project where the wave 5 is going to end. Okay, so still bullish, still the end of the year most likely, and pullback will continue to find support here in 3711. All right, so that's the update for today. As always, if you want to get more regular updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial for the new members on only 99 cents. You can use the link in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.